Hi, I am Tommy Hagan, Chief Compliance Officer at Great River Health. I'm going to share how the Corporate Compliance Department can help you in your new role. Healthcare is one of the most highly regulated industries in the United States. The laws, rules, and regulations are constantly changing. The Ethics and Compliance Program exists to ensure Great River Health is doing what is required and what is right. Compliance is more than creating policies and putting them in a nice, organized system. It's about putting those policies into practice. This is critical to protecting our patients as well as our organization's greatest asset, our employees. As healthcare employees, you are not expected to know everything about the compliance rules. That is why we are here, to take some of that burden off your shoulders. We offer support, guidance, and training. Ask questions before taking action when you are unsure of the right thing to do, so we can help you make a good judgment call. We understand that potential violations and human mistakes may occur. When they do, we have a system to manage the event. All employees, medical staff, students, and volunteers have a responsibility to inform the corporate compliance team of any activity they think may be illegal, unethical, or in violation of our code of conduct or policies. For the Ethics and Compliance Program to be effective, we need everybody's cooperation. This includes reporting and self-reporting. If something doesn't feel right, it is important to share this information and share it early. Even if the situation has already been resolved or was not intentional, all information still needs to be tracked and documented. The corporate compliance team cannot be everywhere all the time. That is why we depend on your support and participation. Don't think of the event reporting process as turning someone in or writing someone up. You are simply sharing information about a situation to help repair or improve a process. Our focus is on implementing working solutions to prevent future risks. It is your responsibility to speak up. Don't be afraid to contact us with a concern. We strongly encourage honesty and integrity, and we prohibit any action directed against people for reporting in good faith. Anyone who tries to retaliate against or harass another person for raising a compliance concern or assisting in an investigation is subject to disciplinary action up to and including termination. Retaliation in any form will not be tolerated, and if you experience this, notify us immediately. We work with every department in the health system. Compliance is an essential function, and it is everyone's responsibility. You will complete your compliance training module during orientation. It includes a list of the types of issues that you may encounter that should be shared with the corporate compliance team. If you encounter any situation that you think might violate a law, a regulation, our code of conduct, or internal policies and procedures, you may ask yourself, what do I do now? You can call me or any member of the compliance team or use the external compliance hotline. You can also use the electronic event reporting system to submit a compliance question or concern. When you call the hotline or log an event electronically, there is an option to remain anonymous. You don't need to investigate the situation yourself or wait until you are absolutely sure the information you are aware of is a problem. Call or enter an event report, and the compliance team will assess the situation. If you decide to provide your contact information, you will receive a brief follow-up after the issue is resolved. Information and instructions on how to report are on the Compliance SharePoint page. When you log a compliance event, you are being proactive for the care and respect of the patients we serve, and also improving the culture of compliance for our organization. If you see something, say something. We look forward to working with all of you, and we value and encourage your input. One of our greatest assets, besides our employees, is our reputation. We are committed to having an honest, ethical, and respectful workplace. We are here to help you do what is required and do what is right so that you can be successful in your new position. Take a moment to get to know Great River Health's corporate compliance team. Megan Vogel, Jared Hill, Nikki Merschman, Rebecca Powell.